PPS Flagship Packaged Pump Stations, pre-designed solutions for your next project. The SuperNOVA Booster Pump Series is a compact all-in-one pre-packaged variable speed pumping system that is designed and engineered for light industrial and commercial applications. It features innovative and easy-to-use color touchscreen controls with Clarity WMS remote control and monitoring integration available as an additional option. The SuperNOVA series packaged pump systems are manufactured in our ISO 9001-2015 certified factory and are UL listed, pre-tested and ready to install upon delivery. And like all PPS pump systems, the SuperNOVA packaged pump station series includes a wide variety of custom feature options, an industry-best warranty, and unlimited personalized technical support. Find out who we are, what we do, and how we can help you. For access to plan-ready CAD drawings and specifications, register for the PPS engineering portal on our website. Visit gopps.com.